Hi guys, welcome back to Madison Art. My name is Madison and today we are going to be doing a swipe. To start this, I have a 8x10 canvas that has been taped off on the back, and I have my acrylic paint. Most of it is Liquitex acrylic paint that has been mixed until a smooth consistency with floetral. I've noticed recently that my videos are geared towards more experienced painting techniques, so I do want to dial that back a little bit and just start with the basics. So today our swipe started with white. I did add a layer of black, and now I am adding in some gold just for a little bit of interest. For a little bit of further interest, I do end up adding just a little bit of blue as well. Now, your paints are layered like this because the goal is to pull something over the paint to drag it into each and every color to start making these colorful cells. Or in this case, black and white cells. I wanted to start here with a very simple color palette just to show off the technique. Now, what I like to do just to make sure all the paint is covered on the edges is I will normally go with the direction of the paint line. So my paint lines here are running vertically, so I am tilting it vertically as well just to cover up some of those bare spots and spread out that paint. Once you're situated and ready for your swipe, you can use whatever tool you would like to swipe your paint. You can use a cake spatula, you can use a piece of laminated paper, or today I'm going to be using a paper towel. Your paper towel, it can be either wet or dry. For today's video, I am going to be wetting my paper towel. I just like how it grabs on and releases to the paint. So today, this video will have a wet paper towel swipe. Swiping can be a very simple technique. You just need to let the movement do the work. I think one of the biggest issues I ran into in the beginning was trying to press down too much, or I was trying to be too light to where my paper towel or my tool would lift up and leave bare spots. Here you just have to make sure that the paper towel or your tool is touching the paint everywhere, and then just try to glide it across as easily as you can. And your personal preference, you can torch or not torch. I normally do not, but it was sitting right next to me, so I decided to. Now here's some close-up of those cells before I start tilting. Tilting is one of my favorite parts about a swipe because this is really where all of the cells start popping out and developing once you start stretching that paint. I would be mindful of you stretching just because that can really start distorting your cells, or you might even just slip off the best part of your design. So just go slow and steady while you are tilting your swipe. And watch me struggle as I try to get the stands out of the way, just so you can see a little bit more as I tilt this swipe. I have not done a swipe in so long, so this was so refreshing to bust out some of these old tricks. There are so many cells in this super simple swipe. We did lose some of that blue, but you can see it a little bit in some spots. I'm just blown away with how many cells there are in this one little piece. Incredible. And now my favorite part is showing you guys the close-up of the cells. In this piece there are so many cells. It just reminded me of why don't I do this more often? I love this result. Swiping is such a good starting place if you are learning to pour, because you get so many cool just color combinations. That's my favorite part. Or even if you do something simple with your colors, you get so many cool cells just like here. I hope I answered some of your questions on how I do a swipe. If you have any more for me, feel free to just leave your question in the comments. I'm happy to help there, or reach out to me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. You can head over to my website if you'd like to see available artwork. If you're looking for daily inspiration, head over to my Instagram account, and subscribe if you're looking for more art tips just like this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.